Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to play Geometry Dash Bloodlust. Firstly, go to geometry-dash.io/geometry-bloodlust. Wait for the game to fully load. Click on the game screen to activate it, and press the spacebar, up arrow or left mouse button to start playing and to jump. Now navigate through the extreme level. Bloodlust is known for its insane difficulty and precise timing, so expect a challenge. Each time you crash, press the spacebar or click to instantly restart. Just play with sound on, the music helps with timing, and don't get discouraged, it's one of the hardest fan-made levels. Also, use practice mode if available on the site to learn the layout. Just a warning, this level is extremely hard, perfect for pros and thrill seekers. Just enjoy the challenge. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.